welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
This slide is the introductory slide. This slide has the topic of presentation. This slide is about understanding portfolio. The portfolio is the bunch of investment tools such as bonds, equity, private equity, stocks, mutual fund, etc. that can be used depending upon the nature of risk and return requirement of the client along with investors' income, budget and time framework. There are two types of portfolio, market portfolio and zero investment portfolio. Now, who is a portfolio manager? An individual who designs a suitable investment plan and follows the methods of portfolio management for managing the portfolio of investors is a portfolio manager. The portfolio manager gives advice and consultancy to the investor to opt for the best investment plan as per his risk-return balance and income and budget. This slide is about portfolio management and overview. Portfolio management is the art of managing the investor's fund and selecting the right investment policy for the individual considering both aspects of minimum risk with maximum return. Portfolio management is needed for pursuing the following purpose. Portfolio management gives the best investment plan as per their income, budget, return expectation, time frame. With the help of portfolios, management risk is minimized by creating the chances of profit. This slide is about steps for portfolio management. Portfolio managers managing the funds of their clients is known as portfolio management. Clients' financial goals are achieved following these management steps. Client's objective: individual invest the short amount with limited time horizon, whereas institute invest a huge amount of capital. Choose asset classes. Portfolio management then has to choose for a suitable class of asset for investment such as bonds, share, private equity, etc. This slide is the continuation of slide 5. Strategic asset allocation. Portfolio manager has to conduct this strategic asset allocation for weighing each class of asset. Tactical asset allocation. As per this approach, investment managers make suitable changes in investment based on the capital market opportunities. Risk management. After selecting the weight of each portfolio, the manager has to control the following risk arising out of an investment. This slide is the continuation of slide 6. Security selection risk can be managed or eliminated as it holds market index directly. It ensures that the return from a particular asset class is similar to that of the asset class benchmark. Style risk arises from the manager's investment style. Growth managers beat the benchmark return in the bull market, whereas performing during bear markets. By choosing the systematic risk factor as the benchmark, the portfolio manager can avoid TEA risk, that is tactical asset allocation risk. Measurement of performance. The portfolio manager measures the performance using the CAPM model method. This slide is about procedure for portfolio manager registration. Any professional having expertise in investment and managing or handling the fund and investment on behalf of any individual or institution is a portfolio manager. Following is the step for getting registered under SEBI as portfolio manager. An individual who wants to be a portfolio manager shall apply online to SEBI. Apply in Form A to the board along with a non-refundable fee of INR 1 lakh. After the submission of an application, it is examined by the board. If the application is incomplete or in any form or it is not as per the instruction of the law, it can be rejected by the board. This slide is the continuation of slide 8. Following points are considered by the board before approving an application and granting a certificate of registration. An applicant should be a body corporate and shall have adequate infrastructure. The principal officer shall have adequate knowledge and qualification in the field of finance, law, security market and shall have experience of 10 years in capital market. An applicant must have a minimum of 2 individuals under their employment, with one person having at least 5 years of experience in the area of finance, law and security market. This slide is the continuation of slide 9. The board will confirm the criteria for confirming fit and proper condition of an applicant. The capital requirement shall not be less than the net worth of INR 2 crore. an application shall be filled along with the payment of a fee of INR 10 lakhs. Board, on being satisfied with the entire requirement, shall grant the certificate of registration in Form B. This slide is about roles of portfolio manager. Following are the various roles and responsibilities that are performed by the portfolio manager. Portfolio manager plays a vital role in managing the fund of investors and deciding the best investment plan for them. They make aware of these various investment tools and policies to its clients, suggesting and advising them to choose the best policies as per their requirement. They design the customized investment solutions depending upon the budget, income, and time frame of the client. This slide is the continuation of slide 11. It's the responsibility of the portfolio manager to advise the investor about the best investment policy in the market, rather than only focus on his commission or money. He must make the tailor-made investment plan that guarantees a maximum return with the least risk associated with it. This slide is about pre-registration conditions. The board, on receipt of an application, inspects and examines the following minimum requirements that have to be mandatorily fulfilled by applicant. For effective discharging of portfolio management services, an applicant shall have necessary infrastructure, office space, equipment, and human resource. This slide is a continuation of slide 13. The principal employer must have the following qualifications: post-graduation or professional qualification in the subjects of finance, law, accounting, or business management from any recognized university or institution. Minimum 10 years of experience in the activities of the security market, in related activities of the portfolio manager, stockbroker, fund management, etc. CFA charter qualified from CFA Institute. This slide is the continuation of slide 14. Capital requirement of INR 2 crore must be fulfilled by an applicant. Details and disclosure of rejected applications already made by an applicant before SEBI. Disclosure of any disciplinary action initiated against the applicant or any person related to an applicant. No applicant, director, principal officer, or an employee shall be involved in any kind of litigation. This slide is the concluding slide. Thank you for watching.